I'm happy. I'm overjoyed. She is sad. She's heartbroken. He's angry. He's seething with rage. They're excited. They are thrilled. I'm scared. I'm terrified. She's tired. She's utterly exhausted. He's bored. He's utterly disinterested. I'm surprised. I'm astonished. She's nervous. She's apprehensive. He's confused. He's bewildered. She's pretty. She's stunning. He's ugly. He's hideous. It's big. It's colossal. It's small. It's minuscule. The room is clean. The room is immaculate. The food is bad. The food is atrocious. The movie was good. The movie was phenomenal. The car is fast. The car is lightning fast. The book is interesting. The book is captivating. The house is old. The house is ancient. He works hard. He's diligent. She is successful. She is accomplished. I'm busy. I'm swamped. The job is easy. The job is effortless. The project is hard. The project is arduous. He failed. He botched it. She won. She triumphed. The meeting was long. The meeting was interminable. He's a good leader. He's an exemplary leader. She's smart. She's astute. I eat breakfast. I have a hearty breakfast. She walks to work. She strolls to work. He runs fast. He sprints. They talk a lot. They chat incessantly. I sleep early. I retire early. She reads books. She devours books. He drives carefully. He drives cautiously. I write notes. I jot down notes. She buys groceries. She purchases groceries. He fixes things. He repairs things meticulously. I go often. I frequent that place. She's always late. She's perpetually tardy. He never listens. He's utterly inattentive. It happens sometimes. It occurs intermittently. I'll do it later. I'll attend to it shortly. She finished quickly. She completed it swiftly. He arrived early. He arrived prematurely. It takes a long time. It's time-consuming. We meet weekly. We convene weekly. They left suddenly. They departed abruptly. It's hot. It's sweltering. It's cold. It's freezing. It's raining. It's pouring. The wind is strong. The wind is howling. The sun is bright. The sun is blazing. The sky is clear. The sky is cloudless. It's foggy. Visibility is near zero. The flowers are pretty. The blossoms are exquisite. The tree is tall. The tree is towering. The water is clean. The water is pristine. Let's go. Let's hit the road. Turn left. Take a left turn. It's far. It's miles away. We were lost. We're disoriented. The hotel is nice. The hotel is luxurious. The flight was long. The flight was interminable. I love traveling. I'm passionate about globe-trotting. The beach is beautiful. The coastline is breathtaking. The road is bumpy. The terrain is rugged. We arrived safely. We reached our destination unscathed. The food is tasty. The cuisine is divine. I'm hungry. I'm famished. The coffee is strong. The coffee is potent. The steak is tough. The steak is chewy. The soup is hot. The soup is scalding. She cooks well. She's a culinary genius. The dessert is sweet. The dessert is saccharine. The meal was cheap. The meal was economical. I'm full. I'm satiated. The service is slow. The service is sluggish. He's rich. He's affluent. She's poor. She's destitute. I saved money. I stashed away funds. He's greedy. He's avaricious. She's generous. She's philanthropic. I'm broke. I'm penniless. The price is fair. The price is reasonable. They wasted money. They squandered their fortune. He's stupid. He's obtuse. The book is boring. The book is tedious. The lecture was long. The lecture was protracted. I understand. I comprehend. She teaches well. She's an exemplary educator. He talks too much. He's loquacious. The exam was easy. The exam was a breeze. I failed. I flunked miserably.